If you like my video, please subscribe, comment and like down below. So we've arrived at Villa Sarang Mengwi in Bali. This is our villa's entrance. It sounds so Balinese, and it's so magical inside. So come along with me and let's have a look. Today we're stepping into a place that feels like something straight out of a fairy tale. Just take a look at this beautiful wooden door, aged rustic and oh so charming. It feels like the kind of door that would open into another world, doesn't it? And now let me show you the first room. It's truly something magical. Just look at these warm pine wood walls and they give the whole space a cozy natural vibe. And then there's the four-poster bed wrapped in these soft sheer mosquito nets. It's just such a charming classic touch, making the whole place feel like a sanctuary really. Just imagine lying here watching the curtains dance in the breeze. And if that wasn't enough, look at the view. You've got the lush green rice fields stretching out before you and right below the serene pool. How gorgeous is that? It's like the perfect blend of nature and luxury. Now here's a little surprise guest. Look at this beautiful golden snake. It probably wandered over from the nearby rice fields. Don't worry though, he's harmless and just curious about his surroundings. Welcome to the next room. It's a cozy and practical space, perfect for sharing for friends traveling together. Here we have two single beds, each one thoughtfully arranged to create a warm and welcome feel. And there's also a handy table right in the middle. And just through here we have a private bathroom. It's compact but has all the essentials so you can feel comfortable and refreshed throughout the day. Now let's take a look at the adjoining room, another beautiful space that brings comfort and elegance together. This room features yet another stunning four-poster bed, complete with a mosquito net. It's such a timeless touch, making the whole space feel like a cozy private retreat, really. Everything here just feels so clean and refreshing, like you're in a little sanctuary of your own. And it's a place where you can truly relax and unwind. And right over here, you have a private bathroom. It's bright, spotless, and has everything you need for a comfortable stay. The attention to detail really makes a difference. Every detail in this room has been thought out to create a fresh, welcoming feel. It's perfect for anyone who wants a touch of luxury with that serene, clean ambience. Now we're stepping into the heart of the home, the living room. It's a wide open plan space with a lot of charm. The rustic wood throughout this space is simply stunning. And over here in the corner, we have the toilet, and that's all there is to it, really. And finally, we have the dining area, the perfect finishing touch to this beautiful home. Just look at this weather lampshade, which gives it that warm Balinese feel. And of course, there's always going to be a pantry, and you can't get enough of bed sheets, really. And there you have it, the full tour of this beautiful villa, from the magical wooden doors and lush gardens to the cozy inviting rooms. If you like my video, please comment, like and subscribe. I'll see you soon. Bye.